Hey everyone, this is Elias from Rematch Media, and today I want to show you a ride-along lap in the Toyota GR86 Cup car. I was at a media event and they had the GR Cup development driver Westin workman driving this thing faster than I could possibly dream of ever doing. Well, I hope you enjoy.
All right, are we ready?
We are ready.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So the sequential on these?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Flat shift, auto blip, all of it. Like that?
Hell yeah.
It's all about the setup of the car and how much load and grip you can handle through the corners, and this car just takes it like a champ.
Yeah, it was great. You know, when you were going on the slower turns here, you feel the rear diff just turning you.
Yeah.
And it's so, like, I felt that you were confident in the feedback it was giving you.
Right,
like you could feel it.
Yeah,
and then when we were taking those sweeping turns, the arrow just kicks in so hard, man. And I was like, he's gonna stop, and it's like, no, if you stop you lose the arrow.
Right, exactly. It's kind of counterintuitive.
It
right?
is.
The faster you go and the harder you drive the car, the more you're gonna get back from it. So you can't drive this car like a slouch. You gotta push it hard.
You can't. Well, awesome, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you. No
Thanks,
problem,
man.
man.